So here we are, motordyne resonator, and here we have a Shea Stadium setup. So it's a 3-inch setup, crushed bend into a H pipe. Yeah, believe it or not, it doesn't look like an H, but it's an H pipe. It's good, it's decent. We're not gonna talk about it. It's nice. I don't really make H pipes anymore. I used to when I was a kid. These are two good resonators, bullet style resonators. Probably Vibrant, I don't know what company it is. And here's good motordyne piping going down to the back, except I want to show you this. Check this out. This guy put a J hook to hold it together, man. What a good... Oh well, I'm not gonna talk about it. I'm gonna cut this all up and we're gonna put it back together. I don't like the way this is set either. The hangers, they're not looking good to me. And this, I don't know what the hell this is. All this coming out anyway. I'll probably reset these where I want to put them. I'm gonna go back down because my helmet's touching the top of the car. So just to recap, my camera wasn't clean. So we're gonna put this resonator in here. I'm gonna go 2 to 1 here. I'm gonna cut this out and we're gonna go back from here. And we're gonna get to single and then we're gonna go straight into this and then out. I'm gonna cut that whole back piece up. Yeah.
My fault.
What do you want?
No, hold on. Wait, you gotta stop
Say it, man.
recording,
Fuck
man.
it. Say it on camera, man.
No.
Listen, I try to deter people from doing things like this. If you don't have enough pieces, don't do it. You know, I know you're trying to get it better and make sure that these don't move, but you can't do this. It's not good. X shape like this would be better. An X, like from here to here to here to here. You can go to Home Depot. They sell the whole rod in a full length. You know, in full lengths. But I do buy them. Look at this. This is a rod. This is thick though. You know, but this is what I use for making. That I got a set. You can buy a bunch of these. You know, these are good for making rods. I mean, hangers. The problem, they welded this together. I cut it. They welded it together for I don't know what reason, probably to get it better, but it still never hung properly. They welded this together too, so I can't change the angle of it. I could get it a little better than where it is. Basically, that's where I gotta come. I'm gonna do one side at a time so I can get it straight. I have to take out this side and fix that. I don't know what they did, but we'll smoothen it out, make it look better. Thank you. So I'm gonna cut this off. I don't know if it's leaking, but it's beat up. So we got it off here. I don't know, I might put a cap. Yeah? Good, you good.
The exhaust of the back, I need to change that. And an inspection. Yeah, that's not a problem.
Capped off. No more leak in there. I can fix this leak now. Gotta weld it. This just so no, you know, just rolled in knows that I'm not joking. Look at this guy. He's eating his lunch.
Customer refused to replace all 4 tires on a rainy day. They had to sign a waiver before driving away.
Look, I'm just rolling somebody else in to watch just roll in. See a frog light. Hold on, I gotta go back. It's a frog light. Watch, and people think that we crazy.
Can't say I've seen this before.
Look, it's a frog light.
So you're trying to wash mine too? Baby.
I made a tool the other day. I don't know where it is. Oh, I think I see a piece of it. No. No, I don't see it. It's a weird looking tool. Oh, I can't see it. Huh? No, I need to start it.
You need a starter, but you're getting out?
Yeah. So this is the tool that I made. It's a old Craftsman ratchet handle. I filled in the head and I put this this thing on it so that I could turn. See, like this hanger, I could hook it in like this. I'm really not doing a good video. So it's basically hook in like that. Right, hook in. It's not hooking. It's not going on. Okay. Let me get a better grip. So right there, like that, and then I can. Oh man, that's not working right now. Get this to go like that. See that? It worked. It worked. It worked. It worked. It's a what do you call it? A punch, or not a punch, see here, we have it set up where I want it, right there. But the pipe is shooting down. See it? Shooting downward. That's not good. See how I wanted this pipe to shoot up, so I cut the spot, right? And then I put this piece, I blew it up so that it slides all the way over here, and then it slid all the way over here, and I locked it in right there. See it? I'm just gonna weld that in now. See it there? Weld it in and get my spot.
Rolled in. I want you to take a look at this. Look at that. Customer states he's hearing a knocking noise from his wheel. Well, okay.
So I'm at this point. I'm gonna weld those sides, the back sides, these sides first, and then I'll figure this out. I want to take this out, and I gotta expand this. I gotta get it up inside that 3-inch, so I gotta figure that out. So I just connected the Y to a piece of 3-inch, and I welded it together. And I welded those two ends. Sorry, I welded those two ends, and I'm just gonna weld this in here. Alright guys, I don't want to kill myself. Put my phone down. But yeah, basically that's it right there with the 3-inch. And then I'll go to the motordyne, and we'll keep going. So I got a phone call, and I didn't get this video, but we're set in there. I tagged it in 3 places so it doesn't move, and then we're close right here. So I just gotta get a piece of pipe in there. I'll bring it down a little bit, slide a piece of pipe in there, and we'll connect everything right here, and that's it. It's beauty. Looks good. Should be nice. I gotta weld this piece off too. That's it. My hockey puck out, and it doesn't fit. It's tight, but it's not moving, and it's perfect. All right, so let's go with that. And we're coming here. Oh, look at that straight hanger. See that straight hanger? Hanger's not bent anymore. Right, so now we're just gonna work on this side. See, here's what I do with the soft hockey puck. You see it? It's being squished in there. Well, I cut half of it off, but that's how I get it to line up. Sometimes really nicely. Exactly where I want it. I get it there. This has got to go up. I got to figure something out. Let me see. Kevin, you looking for a girlfriend? Anna Delvey?
Yes. And a sorority.
Look at that. Boom. It's a little touch lower because of that. Damn. That's alright though. Other than that, it's good. See what it sounds like?
No claim to. I'll have the map, but I'm not gonna use the map, bro. Yeah, this is a smart guy.